Dear students, welcome back. In the previous class, we studied about volume, curved surface area, and total surface area of sphere and hemisphere. We did a few questions on these topics. So now today we'll continue with those questions. So the first question for today, it is given that the diameter of a spherical ball diameter of a spherical ball is 4.2 centimeter. Find the mass of the ball. Find the mass of the ball if the density of the material is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So they have given the density means the mass of 1 centimeter cube material, or if the ball is made up of metal, then 1 centimeter cube of that metal weighs 8.9 gram. Then what will be the mass of the entire ball? That means first of all we have to find the volume. Radius is equal to diameter upon 2, that is 4.2 upon 2, that is 2.1 centimeter. So the radius is 2.1 centimeter. Now the volume, as you know, the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube means 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. If we remove these three decimals, then we'll have 1000 over here. Now 7 3s are 21, so 121 is cancelled. Clear? So it is 88 into 441 upon 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, it is 88 into 441 upon 1000 centimeter cube. Now first of all, you multiply. Okay. So it is 38808 upon 1000 centimeter cube, or you can say 38.808 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the ball. Now, mass of 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8.9 gram. Then mass of 38.808 centimeter cube will be 8.9 into 38.808 gram. Now we will multiply it. We will multiply 38.808 and 8.9. Okay, so it is 38.808 and 8.9. So it is 315.3912. It is 315.3912 gram, and that is your answer. The mass of the ball is 315.3912 gram. Clear? Now the next question is find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeters square. So they have given the surface area and you have to find the volume. So you know that the surface area of a sphere is given by 4 pi r square. The surface area here is 154. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. So r square will be 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22. First you cancel it by 2, then by 11. So it is 49 by 4. So r will be equal to under root 49 by 4. All of you know that square root of 49 will be 7 and square root of 4 will be 2. So it is 3.5 centimeters. So we have found the radius of the sphere as 3.5 centimeter, and now we have to find the volume. So volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. The volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 upon 2 cube. Okay, so 1 7 we can cancel from here. 2 into 2 4, it is cancelled. 2 into, so when you cancel 22 by 2, it is 11. So 11 into 49 upon 3. Now 11 into 49, 539 by 3. When you divide 539 by 3, so it is 179.67. 179.67 centimeter cube, and that is your answer. So the volume of the sphere will be 179.67 centimeter cube. Clear? Now the next question. The next question is a capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere. The capsule of a medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 millimeter. So how much medicine in millimeter cube? How much medicine in millimeter cube is needed to fill it? How much medicine in millimeter cube is needed to fill it? Now, you know that radius is diameter upon 2, that is 3.5 upon 2 millimeter. Now, the amount of medicine needed is nothing but the volume of the capsule. So, volume of the capsule as the capsule is a sphere, so it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi is 22 by 7 r cube, that is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. Okay, 2 into 2, 4 cancelled, and then this is 11. Okay, now 3.5 2s are 7. Double of 3.5 is 7. Now in the numerator we have 11 into 3.5 into 3.5, and in the denominator we have only 6. Now you remove these two decimals and you will have 100 here. Now cancel it by 5, again by 5. So in the numerator you will have 11 into 49, and in the denominator it is 24. 6 into 4. Now 11 into, I'll continue here, 11 into 49 will be 539, okay, divided by 24 millimeter cube. Now 539 when it is divided by 24, so it is almost 22.46 millimeter cube, and that is your answer. Your answer is 22.46 millimeter cube. Okay, clear? Now the next question. Next question. A hemispherical bowl has a radius of 3.5 centimeter. A hemispherical bowl has a radius of 3.5 centimeter. So what would be the volume of water it contains? What would be the volume of water it contains? Now it's a hemisphere, and you know that volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, and r cube, the radius is 3.5. You know 3.5 is nothing but 7 upon 2. So we'll write 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 like this. It makes our calculation easier. This 2 cancels out. This is 11. 7 is cancelled. So in the numerator we have 11 into 49, and in the denominator we have 3 into 2, that is 6. Now 11 into 49 is 539 upon 6. Now when you divide 539 by 6, so it is 89.83. 89.83 centimeter cube is your answer. The volume of water it contains is 89.83 centimeter cube. Clear? Now, next question. A hemispherical bowl has a radius of 3.5 centimeter. I'm sorry, a hemispherical bowl, is made up of an iron sheet, 1 centimeter thick. 1 centimeter thick. If the inner radius is 1 meter, then find the volume of iron used to make the bowl. In this case, take pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. Now you see, this is an interesting question. This is a hemispherical bowl, and the thickness of the iron sheet used to make this bowl is 1 centimeter. Okay, that means if the inner radius is 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter. If the inner radius is 100 centimeter, then the outer radius will become 101 centimeter, because 1 will be added to it. 1 centimeter is the thickness. So when 1 centimeter is added to 100 centimeter, gives you 101 centimeter. So the outer radius, inner radius 100 centimeter, outer radius 100 plus 1, 101 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to find the volume of the iron used. Volume of iron used means the outer volume minus the inner volume, that is the hollow part. So outer volume minus inner volume. Now you know that volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So it is 2 by 3 pi 101 cube minus 2 by 3 pi 100 cube. Clear? Outer radius is 101 and the inner radius is 100. So 2 by 3. Now you take 2 by 3 pi common. So within the bracket you will have 101 cube minus 100 cube. Okay. Now first of all we will find the cube of 101. Means 101 into 101 first. One zero two zero one and then one again 101. So we will continue here. Two by 3, in place of pi you write down 3.14 into within brackets 101 cube is 1030301. Okay, 1030301 minus cube of 100 like this. Okay, so 2 by 3 into 3.14 into, now we will subtract, it is 30301. Okay, yes, 30301. Okay, now 6.28 into 30301 upon 3. First of all you multiply 30301 by 6.28. So it is 190,290.28 divided by 3. 190,290.28 upon 3. Now you have to divide it by 3. So it is nearly 63430.09 centimeter cube. 63430.09 centimeter cube is your answer. That is the volume of 63430.09 centimeter cube is the volume of iron used in this case. Clear? Now the next question. the question says that there is a sphere of radius r and the sphere exactly fits into a cylinder it exactly fits means the sphere is touching the base of the cylinder and the top of the cylinder is also in the level of the sphere, so it exactly fits. Now first part you have to find the surface area of the sphere. Second part you have to find the curved surface area of cylinder, and the third part the ratio of answer 1 and answer 2. So whatever answer you get in the two parts, first and second, you have to find the ratio of that. So first of all, the answer to the first part, surface area of the sphere, all of you know that the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So the surface area is 4 pi square. Second, that is the answer. Okay. Now the second part, curved surface area of the cylinder. Now the curved surface area of a cylinder is given by 2 pi RH, where r is the radius of the cylinder and h is the height. Definitely when the radius of the sphere is r, then the radius of the cylinder will also be r. Now what about the height? Now see, this is nothing but the diameter of the sphere, and the diameter of the sphere is 2r, so the height of the cylinder here will be equal to 2r. That means it is 2 pi r, and in place of h you will write 2r. So it is 4 pi r square. 2 into 2 is 4 pi r square. Now when you will find out the ratio, surface area of the sphere upon curved surface area of the cylinder, and you see it is 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r square. They are equal, so the answer is 1:1. So the answer to the third part will be 1:1. Clear? Now the next question. Next question is, volume of a cone. Now pay attention, it is not a sphere, it is a cone. Volume of a cone is 9856 centimeter cube, and the diameter is 28 centimeter. Fine. First part is height, second part is slant height, and the third part is curved surface area. So you have to find these three things: the height, the slant height, and the curved surface area of the cone. So first of all, You know that radius is equal to diameter upon 2. The diameter is given 28 upon 2. So the radius will be 14 centimeters. Okay. Now the volume of a cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. I told you the volume of a cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. The volume is given 9856 is equal to 1 upon 3. Pi is given 22 by 7. R is 14. So 14 into 14. And h we have to find. The height we have to find. So first of all you cancel 7 to the 14. So h is equal to 9856 into 3 upon 22 into 2 into 14. Clear? So first of all we cancel it by 2. Okay. So we cancel it by 2 again. Okay. Now we cancel it by 7. Okay. Now we cancel it by 11. And then you cancel it by 2. So 16 into 3 is 48. So h is equal to 48 centimeter. So this is answer to the first part. The height is 48 centimeters. Now you see this is the right circular cone. The height we have calculated 48. The radius they have given 14. And now we have to find the slant height. You know, we can apply Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle to get the value of the slant height. So using Pythagoras theorem, L square is equal to 48 square plus 14 square. Now, first of all, find out 48 square. This 2304 plus 14 square is 196, and when you add 2500, so L is equal to under root 2500, that is 50 centimeter. This is the answer to the second part. We have found that the slant height is 50 centimeter. We have found the slant height to be 50 centimeter. And now the last part, that is the curved surface area. You know, the curved surface area of a cone is pi RL, that is 22 by 7, and the radius is 14, and L we have just calculated 50, so it is 2200 centimeter square, and this is answer to your third part. The height is 48 centimeter, the slant height is 50 centimeter, and the curved surface area is 2200 centimeters. Clear? Now the next question. Next question says a cardboard in the shape of a right angle triangle with sides 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 13 centimeter is rotated about the side of length 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid generated. Find the volume of the solid generated. Now see, there is a right angle triangle like this. This side is given 12 centimeter. This side is given 5 centimeter. And the third side is the hypotenuse will be 13 centimeters. Now this right angle triangle or this cardboard is rotated about this side. Now you imagine when this cardboard rotates about this axis, a solid is generated, and the solid will be of this type. This will be the shape of the solid. So you can see when the rectangle or when the triangle is rotated about that axis, a solid is generated, which solid is nothing but a cone with height 12 centimeter and radius 5 centimeter, base radius 5 centimeter. So you have to find the volume of the cone. Now you know that volume of a cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h, that is 1 upon 3 into 22 by 7, 5 square and h is 12. So it is 3 4s are 12. Okay. So it is 22 by 7 into 5 square is 25. 25 into 4 is 100. So it is 2200 upon 7, which is nearly equal to 314 centimeter cube, and that is your answer. Clear? Okay, now the last question for today. The question is, height of a conical tent is 8 meter and the radius of the base is 6 meter. Find the length of canvas needed to make this tent if the width of the canvas is fixed at 3 meter. Pi is equal to 3.14. Now see, there is a conical tent whose height is given 8 meter and the radius of the base is 6 meter. Now we have to make this tent using canvas. Now in the market, the canvas is available in form of a rectangular piece whose width is fixed, that is 3 meter. Usually when we buy cloth from shops, any cloth, the width is fixed, length you can take any length. So the length here is fixed as 3 meter, the width of the canvas, and the length, suppose we are taking x meter. Let the length of canvas needed be x meter. Now you know that canvas is used in the curved surface area of the conical tent because canvas is not put at the base. So curved surface area of the tent it is pi RL, you know the formula, but they have not given the slant height, so we have to find the slant height also. This is the conical tent, the height is given 8 meter and the base radius is 6 meter. So using Pythagoras, the slant height is L, so L square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square, 64 plus 36, that is 100. So L is equal to under root 100, that is 10 meter. So we have found that slant height is 10 meter. Now pi is 3.14, they have given, R is 6 and the length is 10 meter. Okay, so 31.4 into 6, that is equal to 188.4 meter square. That is the amount of canvas, the area of canvas needed. So this area must be equal to, you know that area of a rectangle is x length into breadth. So this area should be equal to area of rectangular piece is 3 into x. Now this 3 into x should be equal to 188.4. So x will be equal to 188.4 upon 3, that is 62.8 meter is your answer. The length of the canvas needed is 62.8 meter. So I hope the sums that we did today or in the previous classes, it is clear to you. Thank you.